This is the beautiful town of Bosa, a town in Sardinia. First off, we noticed that the alleyways are really cute. I also discovered my girlfriend's secret talent. She can turn any walk into a photo shoot. All jokes aside though, it was really fun, even if we had to redo our shot because something went wrong. But that's not the point. The point is, I'm here to talk about Bosa. The first thing we learned when booking the apartment in Bosa is that the houses are very colorful, and they weren't lying.
Protect my energy and blessings they follow me. My people they sing melody for the good.
Built during the 12th century, Sacosta remains timeless and full of medieval charm, combined with a rich atmosphere of Sardinian culture.
For the good vibes infinity, good vibes infinity.
For some emotions. So normally in the middle of the day it's really calm here because it's like mad hot, and today it's supposed to storm, so it's really cool. So as you can see, it's super busy in the street. Luckily the rain cleared up and we were able to visit the castle. The castle is actually at the top of Sacosta, so if you're staying here, it's actually in walking distance.
À ce qui paraît, je te cours après. Mais ça va pas, mais t'es taré. Mais comment ça, le monde est hyper. Tu croyais quoi, qu'on se verrait plus jamais. Je pourrais t'afficher, mais c'est pas mon délire. D'après les rumeurs, tu m'as eu dans ton lit. Oh, dja dja, y'a pas moyen, dja dja. J'suis pas ta cata, dja dja, genre.
The next place I want to talk about is the place we probably spent the most time, which is Bosa Marina Beach. Bosa Marina Beach is about a half-hour walk away from the center where we stayed, or 10 minutes by car or by bus. It's a lovely beach, and even in peak season we were always able to find a spot on the beach. If you want to hang around for dinner, they have really nice restaurants all around, and they have outdoor seating so you can enjoy the view.
Nice.
If you truly want to explore Sardinia, renting a car is essential. Public transport like buses and trains are a bit limited and unreliable, especially in remote areas, making it hard to visit many of the island's best spots. The roads are generally in good condition, but be prepared for some narrow and windy routes, as you can see. But with a car, you have the freedom to discover hidden beaches, scenic roads, and really charming villages at your own pace. Next place I'm going to show you guys is Torre de Albuquerque. This would have also been a hard place to reach without a car. I'm going to round this video off with a nice little edit of the best footage. For those who know, I also do parkour, so I couldn't let the vacation go by without jumping and flipping around, so I'll add those in there too.